Hex for the most part is a mid-position coin with the ticker Hex that sort of has a truly present worth of 6 cents and a market capitalization of $10,574,699,520, which certainly is very huge. Digital currencies for the most part have truly lengthy past the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers in a really significant way. These days, it's a resource class that in a real sense is considerably directed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Some extremely huge speculation banks even for the most part gain Hex and really other digital currencies as a group to by and large safeguard their resources under administration against the running expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors in an unpretentious manner. Presently, now is the right time to fundamentally uncover our short, mid, and kind of long-haul expectation of the advancements on the Hex market that by and large depend on the readings of our sort of novel crypto unpredictability record that by and large assists us with measuring the market opinion and especially expect where in which the market means to go, which essentially is very critical. At this point, the cost of Hex sort of is 6 cents, while the coin right now explicitly ends up at 9th spot in the truly generally positioning, which truly is very huge. The said extremely positioning is assessed based on the resource's current value that really is increased by its by and large current market capitalization, a recipe that generally is applied all through every single monetary market. Truly in opposition to prevalent thinking, our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients generally get the most pertinent information in regards to the presentation of advanced asset in their portfolios, which sort of is very huge. It's likewise critical to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its course, showing that Hex especially is a mid-position coin with the ticker Hex that has a fundamentally present worth of 6 cents and a market capitalization of $10,574,699,520, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. On April 20th, the cost of Hex for the most part was at 6 cents toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change essentially added up to 14.27%, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on April 14th, Hex by and large was esteemed at 7 cents, which certainly intends that from that point forward, the cost really has changed by 0%, which explicitly is very critical. A month prior, on Walk 21, the market member laid out the cost of Hex at 9 cents. Thusly, the coin fundamentally has made a 37.86% move to truly arrive at its especially present standings, which is very huge. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Hex isn't the main especially factor that we explicitly consider while making the cost forecast in a huge manner. It's likewise vital to in a real sense keep a very sharp eye on changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to generally have a kind of clear perspective on where the market sort of is going. Changes in market capitalization, kind of certain or fundamentally negative, basically are likewise characteristic of the manner by which the said market could truly be going, as well as the resource's most certainly potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both by and large short and by and large long-haul viewpoints in a significant manner. This extremely specific exceptionally metric generally is additionally used to measure the strength of Hex corresponding to the remainder of the digital currency market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. To generally decide the very current market capitalization of Hex, we for the most part duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will explicitly be fundamentally made sense of later, by the current worth of the digital money under survey amazingly. Starting today, the market capitalization of Hex explicitly remains at $10,574,699,520, which frames the reason for really present kind of positioning in a real sense was referenced before, or so they generally thought. Yesterday, on April 20th, Hex all things considered, had a market capitalization of $11,939,066,312. Keep going week. On April 14th, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to for the most part was recorded at $12,960,816,292 in a very enormous manner. A month prior, on Walk 21, the market worth of Hex sort of was evaluated to for the most part be $17,018,217,857 in an unpretentious manner. Complete Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that sort of have proactively been delivered by different means, for example, through mining, showing how 7 days prior, on April 14th, Hex truly was esteemed at 7 cents, which by and large intends that from that point forward, the cost especially has generally vacillated by 0% in an extremely significant manner. These digital currencies can in a real sense be utilized either for kind of dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with caretakers in an especially significant manner. This exceptionally metric likewise figures the coins that in a real sense have been eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which sort of is applied to control the expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. At this point, the all-out supply of hex is laid out at 633, 542, 658, 973 hex in an unobtrusive manner. Finally, the circling supply explicitly is utilized to by and large work out the market capitalization and especially survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions in a genuinely significant way. It signifies the fundamentally by and large measure of hex that certainly is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that for the most part are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly explicitly put unavailable for general use out of the blue in a kind of significant manner. It's by and large for the most part accepted that digital currencies that in a real sense have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million for the most part are the most reasonable for long-haul speculation since, especially or generally in every practical sense, prone to by and large value and esteem over a drawn-out time frame, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. At this crossroads, hex really has a circling supply of 173, 411, 074, 413 coins. Over the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with hex arrived at the place of $14, 312, 842, showing how this by and large specific truly metric in a real sense is likewise used to measure the predominance of hex comparable to the remainder of the digital currency market, but progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, in spite of prevalent thinking. Yesterday, on April 20th, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame for the most part remained at $15,263,147, 7 days prior. On April 14th, how much hex that especially was traded between market members generally was assessed at $6,874,508, exhibiting how over the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with hex arrived at the place of $14,312,842, showing how this especially specific especially metric really is likewise used to measure the strength of hex corresponding to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future presentation in a very large manner. Presently truly comes an opportunity to essentially make sense of exhaustively the substance of the crypto instability file, since it's a focal point of our cost expectation model that permits us to in a real sense predict the way that hex will fall over the course of the following 1 to 5 years, which shows that yesterday, on April 20th, hex had a market capitalization of $939,066,312, or so they for the most part thought. 114 in every practical sense is the consequence of the careful work of our group of market specialists and programming designers that surfaced with a novel recipe for measuring and envisioning the normal market unpredictability and enhanced it with the creative, exceptional, profound learning calculation that filtered